Today's National Mentoring Day, and I just wanted to talk about how mentoring has really affected our business and moving forward and where we are today. We were a part of the Kent Foundation, which is a local charity that looks after Kent based business owners that are under 30 and helps them move forward. The way they do that is by providing you with a business mentor. Our business mentor is a guy called Paul Robinson, who helped us develop things like pricing strategy going forwards. We've always said that we're not really that great business people. We're quite creative, and that's kind of where our skills lie. And we were looking for ways that we could push forward. So, having that mentor there, someone to rely on who knew all their stuff that they needed to know and was able to provide some stuff, but without telling us what we needed to do, just sort of giving us a push in the right direction and letting us make our own decisions was a huge part of our success in getting to where we are, to where we could sell the business and move on to where we are today. So yeah, mentoring is absolutely amazing. I applaud you to go and have a try if you're looking at starting in business or even just at university while you're there. Look into the mentoring services that are available because it definitely will help you out. So yeah, mentoring, absolutely awesome. We love it here at Clockwork Moggy, and I suggest that you go and try it out too.